How's it going? I'm Enrique, and today we're going to go over how to draw Patrick from SpongeBob. Before I do, check out this. This is the Armadillo pencil case, word from our sponsor. It's a pencil case that you can put in as many pencils as you want, and at the same time, you can actually literally strap it to your wrist, like so. This one's actually a little bit big on me, and it has a large bendable slot at the end for big markers, things that we use in caricaturing and drawing. But also you can literally put it on any sketchbook, and there's even a magnet inside, so there's a lot of cool things with this. Check that out. That's a word from our sponsor. So the link for that is going to be in the description. Buy that immediately because they're running out. So right now, let's get into Patrick. Now we're going to start with a triangular shape. We're going to pull down on one side. Patrick reminds me of like a hot fudge sundae or an ice cream cone. That's kind of the shape he has. So we pulled a straight line on the left side of his body, and we're going to throw a round egg shape for one of his eyes. But it's going to be more of a C, actually, because that's going to be the eye that's furthest away from us. And then what we're going to do is we're going to throw an egg shape next to that of the same size. And those are going to be his eyeballs.